In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney's Niji settings. Now, this is extremely easy to do. What do we want to do? When entering our prompt, so if we go ahead, go /, go to Imagine, and if we quickly paste this in, if we want to use the Niji settings, there's actually a few different ones that we can use. There's the normal Niji, Niji 4, and Niji 5, I believe. Now to use them, all you have to do is put in --Niji, and then let's put 5. Now if we click enter on that prompt, it's now going to use the Niji settings. Now that's one way that we can actually use it. Another way to do it is by changing the settings, so that way the default setting is going to be your Niji. So what we want to do is type in /, then go to settings, click enter, and from here we can actually play around with all the different models. Now if we scroll through these, this is the Niji Model 5, Model 4, and that's it, I believe. So let's go with Niji Model V5. If we now click on there, the default setting will now be Niji Model 5. So now if we come back to here, do /, let's go to Imagine, let's type that in, and now if we paste in our prompt, click enter, we can now see that the default after it is Niji 5. So that's how easy it is to use Midjourney Niji. Now for more Midjourney bite-sized tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.